Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, and today I want to walk you through a used boat that we got in. This is a 2006 Formula 260 Bowrider. So 2006 260 Bowrider. It does come with the trailer, so trailer is included with this boat. 26 feet, a lot of space for everybody to hang out on the water. Back here on the swim platform, we have a double swim platform, so you got a lot of space back in here. This is going to have the Mercury Cruiser 8.1 liter engine on the back with the dual props, so help you get up out of the hole or around docks and lifts. Let's go into the interior and take a look. All right, welcome to the interior. Like I mentioned before, you got a lot of nice space in the back for people if they're swimming, hanging out. And then as you come in, you got nice wraparound seating. And you do have storage underneath a lot of those. The engine hatch is right there. You got a little prep station here, so if you want to bring some food, you got a place to do that. This opens up for storage, garbage can, and then this opens up here for a little sink. You do have a little bit of storage underneath here as well. On the floor, you'll see this is a snap-in, snap-out carpeting. As we get a little bit closer inside the boat here, you've got some nice seating on the side. There is storage underneath there. We've got a double helm seat. So both of these, you can sit side by side. It does have bolsters that do sit up, which is kind of nice to have. This is yacht certified, so you can have as many people on here as you need and just make sure you have enough life jackets. But we've got a Garmin up here to help you with your GPS. You've got the Clarion stereo, and then all the gauges that you need. This one does have 565 hours. For a 26-foot boat, this has a sizable head. So you got a little sink in there, you got a nice head. And then again, come to the walkthrough. You've got some storage up on this side, and this is all the stuff to do the bow filler cushion. And then once we get into here, you've got nice big seating up here with storage underneath. Again, 26-foot boat's got a lot of space, a lot of storage for you and all your friends. So coming on to MarineMax of Rogers, it is here, ready to take a look at. Thanks, have a great day.